All right, part 2 of lesson number 98. Borrowing with uncommon denominators. We have moved past that section. Yes, you must answer everything. With those 2 examples that I did on the board, you are going to be able to do the rest of the math. If you get stuck, watch the video again. If you really get stuck, contact me. I can help you. I'm not going to do the work for you, but I can help you finish the work. The person who does the work is the one who learns. I already know how to do this. Okay, all right. Divide and check, section 2, page 177, lesson 98 of the 4th grade math book. Here we go. Wrong pen. Okay, now I'm ready. 2A. All right, here, down below in the not so annoying section. All right, 4,766 divided by 13. Here we go. I'm going to round 13 down to 10 to help me to guess, okay? I'm going to imagine that this is the number 10. Can you see that? It's like I have one tiny opportune section of board to work with. Anyways, okay, so I put in parentheses a little tiny number 10 down below. And so I think every time I'm going in there to guess something, I'm going to be guessing with the number 10. It's so much easier than 13, even though I may know my 13 times tables, 13, 26, 39, blah, blah, blah. Here we go. We can only divide into a number greater than or equal to our divisor. We can only skip at the beginning. If you can't divide and you can't skip, then your only option is 0. Okay, so 10 and 4. Now, 10 and 47. All right, my guess is 4. My guess with my rounded numbers to get me really close really soon. It's not an exact answer. Once I put my guess up there, which is 4, I now multiply with my actual divisor, which is 13. 4 times 3 equals 12. I carry my 1, and 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. Oh no, 52, it's too big. Whatever. All right, so my guess was 1 too many. I erase my guess, I erase my work, I erase my carried number, I take it down a notch. 3 times 3 is 9, and 3 times 1 is 3. Now I'm going to subtract. 7 minus 9 can be done, because the top number is smaller than the bottom one. So I borrow from the 4 and turn it into 10 ones. I now have 17 minus 9, that's 8, and 3 minus 3 is 0. I compare. Is 8 less than 13? Yeah, bruh, righteous. Bring it down. Here we go. Now 10 into 86. Last time we learned, if we just go straight into our guess, it's probably too much. I know 10 can go into 80 8 times. I'm going to take it down a notch to 7. I'm going to make an educated guess based on my previous experience, okay? So here's 7. 7 times 3, 21. Carry that 2. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 2 is 9. 86 minus 91. Whoa, bro, can't be done. All right, take it down even more. Even more. 6. 6 times 3 is 18. Boop. And 6 times 1 is 6, plus 1 is 7. 6 minus 8 can be done, because the top number is smaller than the bottom one. So I borrow from the 8 and turn it into 10 ones. Boop. 16 minus 8 is 8. 7 minus 7 is 0. Is 8 less than 13? Yes, it is. All right, how do they want you to write that? That remainder is just going to be the number. We're not doing any fractions right now. Okay, so remainder 8. And make sure to check. Here we go. your quotient, yeah, times your divisor. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 3 is 9 plus 1 is 10. Placeholder. 0. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 3 is 3. Add your partial products together to get your final product. 8, 6, 4. I didn't really forward down on the board and on the screen. Please remember to add your remainder. Oh! No, I don't want to do my video all over again. Maybe this has happened to you before. This is why checks are so important. I'm like, 468 isn't close enough to 4,766. Clearly, I forgot to continue to bring down. Teachers are people too. Okay. Oops, I'm not done. I have to go back to the work that I did here. I divided into 47 and then 476, but I forgot about 4,766, so let's just take it back a notch. I have to bring down again. We already did 86, so I can make the same guess again for the second 86. All right, I did 6, I'm gonna do 6 again. 6 times 3 is 18, and 6 times 1 is 6 plus 1 is 7. And we already know that 86 minus 78 is 8. Okay, now I have a remainder of 8. This is what checks are for, man. You gotta check yourself before you wreck yourself. Woo! Okay, here we go. 366 times 13. All right, 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 3 is 18 plus 1 is 19. 3 times 3 is 9 plus 1 is 10. Placeholder 6, 6, 3. Add your partial products together. 8 plus 0 is 8. 9 plus 6 is 15. 1 plus 6 is 7. And 1 plus 3 is 4. 4,758 is not the same number as 4,766. Please add your remainder. Add remainder. 8 plus 8 is 16. 1 plus 5 is 6. 7, 4 is 4,700. Can you see what I'm doing over here? Where is it? Oh. 4,766 final product is the same as 4,766 dividend. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby. And that is why we check. I hope you've enjoyed your math lesson today. I hope you're still in your pajamas eating cereal in the sunshine. And I'll catch you with my other video lesson about Lewis and Clark. Yay!